Welcome to our Suite Matrix channel. Today, we're exploring the integration of NetSuite and Postman, a powerful tool for testing and interacting with APIs. Whether you're a developer, this video is tailored just for you. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are RESTlets and APIs? RESTlets are custom endpoints you create within NetSuite to expose specific data and logic through a RESTful interface. APIs, or application programming interfaces, enable different software applications to communicate with one another, allowing seamless data integration. In this video, we'll guide you on how to integrate NetSuite with Postman. The first step involves enabling token-based authentication in NetSuite. To do this, navigate to Setup, Company, Enable Features, and on the Suite Cloud tab, check the box for Token-Based Authentication, TBA, under the Manage Authentication section, then click Save. Next, create an integration record by going to Setup, Integration, Manage Integrations, New. On the integration page, provide a name and description. Additionally, uncheck the TBA authorization flow, and under the OAuth 2.0 subtab, unselect Authorization Code Grant while selecting User Credentials. Save the record to generate the client consumer key and client consumer secret, and make sure to copy these credentials immediately as they will no longer be visible after the page refreshes. The next step is to create an access token. Navigate to the Settings tab on the dashboard and select Manage Access Tokens. Click New My Access Token, choose the integration record created earlier, and save it to obtain the token ID and token secret. Again, ensure these details are saved before leaving the page. Once your authentication setup is complete, deploy the RESTlet script in NetSuite. Upload the script by navigating to Customization, Scripting, New. Then select and upload the file from your local system, choose a destination folder, and click Save. After saving, create a script record. Enter a name and ID, and click Save and Deploy. On the script deployment page, enter an ID, and in the Audience subtab, select the relevant roles and employees before saving the deployment. The next step is to create an access token. Finally, configure Postman to test the RESTlet script. Open Postman and set the HTTP method to POST. Copy the external URL of the RESTlet script from the deployment record and paste it into Postman. In the Authorization tab, select OAuth 1.0 as the authentication type and set the signature method to HMAC-SHE-256. Enter the consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and token secret. For the realm, input the domain name in uppercase or retrieve the account ID from Setup. Company, company information. Company information page appears here. Copy the account ID and paste it in realm field. In the headers section, set the content type to text/plain. Click Send to execute the request, and the RESTlet response, such as the total income amount, will be displayed in Postman. By following these steps, we have successfully integrated NetSuite with Postman and retrieved the desired data using the RESTlet script. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to exploring RESTlets and APIs in NetSuite using Postman. We hope this video has equipped you with the knowledge to integrate these powerful tools successfully. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.